Hey, good afternoon. It's Mark Schultz here with DigitalAircraft, and I wanted to give you a quick update on digital and aviation in the aviation industry this week. We have a lot of activities coming up this week, and I want to invite you to be involved in them. Just to give you a quick update on the industry and the things that we're going to be doing. So, hey, let me just start off by saying this. There's been some interesting things that have happened this week. We have a lot of blockchain aviation that's been implemented this week. The most exciting thing for me right now is that TravelX actually went live. They're the very first NFT ticket. They came out with NFT tickets based on the blockchain. And what they are is they're a company based out of Argentina who has a middleware type of a platform in which they're allowing NFTs to be available on the blockchain. And this is a revolutionary thing. And if you think that blockchain isn't real in aviation, we're beginning to see all these applications that are coming live in aviation. And look around you and see what's happening with cryptocurrency. And the markets are up and down, and everybody's really concerned about what's happening with the cryptocurrency market. But a couple of weeks ago, when we had our blockchain and aviation broadcast, we learned that we need to separate cryptocurrency, from blockchain applications and from NFTs, because they really are very different applications of blockchain. And if we consider blockchain just to be like cryptocurrency, for example, then we're really missing the complete understanding of what's happening with aviation, with blockchain aviation. Like, for example, TravelX, they're building their platform on Algorand. Now, if you're a cryptocurrency person, you watch cryptocurrencies that are out there. You might be watching Bitcoin or Ethereum or Algorand or maybe Chainlink or things like that. And a lot of times we don't really completely understand what those things are, what the utility of those coins are. But it's important in being involved in blockchain aviation for us to understand the utility of the things that we're involved in. So, like, for example, TravelX is based on the Algorand network, and they happen to use USDC. They happen to use the USD coin, the stable coin, as the transaction currency, the cryptocurrency, to transact the NFTs on their platform. But it's actually built on Algorand. So it's really very interesting. And so, we need to be learning about these things, and we need to understand what's happening in the market so we can consider these type of technologies, in our business, all right? A lot of other things are going up and down. Like, we've seen Ethereum go down after the merge. We've seen Bitcoin, pretty much be stable. Some of you have seen that in the aviation industry that LexisNexis is building information exchange and operational, flight schedule exchange of information on the Chainlink blockchain platform. And so what I'm trying to tell you is it's important that we understand these different technologies and the platforms and the currencies and how it all fits together to be able to create success in the aviation industry. Now, what's coming up this week? All right. So we have a number of exciting events coming up this week that we'll be involved in. On Wednesday, I have a company coming in for our weekly live broadcast on Wednesday at 12 noon Eastern time, 9 o'clock Pacific time. And it's a company called TraceCert. And what they did is that they were involved in the logistics and the manufacturing and distribution of parts. And they realized that they had to have a better ability to be able to handle paperwork surrounding that. And so they built a blockchain platform for records is what they did. And I'm going to be interviewing this gentleman, Bill Holler, from TraceCert. We're going to talk about what they're doing on the blockchain and how they're using blockchain to be able to support aviation and create efficiencies in aviation parts. That happens Wednesday at 12 o'clock Eastern time. And then later that evening, I'm going to be on a webinar. I'm going to put an event out on LinkedIn this week. And on that webinar, it's with a company, a school called BloomTech. And I'm going to be doing a webinar where you can actually join and register for that webinar, where we're going to talk about Web3 and use cases in aviation. That's on Wednesday night, the 28th of September this week. And then on Thursday nights, we have our regular fun broadcast where we talk about more personal things, and we talk about NFTs, and we discuss our personal lives some, and just the cryptocurrencies that we're interested in. And I'll have Gabriel and Rachel on the broadcast with me as well. That's Thursday night at 9 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Pacific. And then Friday, we're doing our regular blockchain aviation on Clubhouse. But that's just what's happening this week. And as I go into next week, I'll be speaking at different events like in Atlanta, and I have some webinars that we're doing and a lot of different activities in aviation. But all of it is revolving around digital and helping you to create digital in aviation and create operational efficiency. And so I want to welcome you to follow us. You can go to our YouTube channel. You can follow us at DigitalAircraft 1 on YouTube, or you can watch the live broadcasts that we do here on the LinkedIn profile. And we're also on Twitter and a number of other platforms. So I want to welcome you to join in the community and be part of the conversation that we're having so we can help each other to be successful in aviation. through the operational efficiency that's gained through the implementation of digital. Thanks for watching today. Fair winds and following seas. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the broadcasts on Wednesday. Bye for now.